Welcome to Cooking with Camp. I'm back. Been pretty busy, but finally glad to get back to cooking. I just want to show you guys my new find here. It's called Smoker Bricks. That's what the package looks like. It's a solid wood, bourbon infused solid wood. And when you smell it, it smells like it's been sitting in a barrel for years. I mean, it's strong. I don't know how they do it. But anyway, we're going to put it on the ceramic grill today, fire up some short ribs, see if we can get these things to smoke. So I'm glad to be here. I'm glad you're watching, and thanks for watching Cooking with Camp. Let's get started. Okay, it's been about 10 minutes. Look at this. Whoa. Got some serious smoke going on here. I can smell that bourbon a little bit too. So let's get the ribs ready. We'll put our deflector shield in and give it a shot. Okay, what I'm going to start out with doing is spraying this down with a little duck fat. Get them all sprayed down really good. We'll use this duck fat as a binder. Okay. And I found this at a festival I went to. It's called Bricx Spices. This is kind of like a steak seasoning. We'll give it a shot and see how it kind of turns out. No salt in this either. It's real. If you can see it, it's not real fine, it's real thick. All right, let's throw it on. We got some good smoke going. Let's give it a shot. All right, well, it's been a couple hours, so let's take a look at it. Oh, 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 oh. Oh, that smells good. Well, it's been running about 2 hours. It's gotten up to about 300 degrees, but I think a lot of my smoke's been concentrated with that vortex. So anyway, looks really good to me. Been almost 3 hours, I guess. So let's take a look at them. I need to spray them down again with I have a mix here of apple cider vinegar and some water. Oh yeah. So spray them down a little more. Make sure they stay juicy. All right, we finished the cook. Let you take a look at it here. It turned out great. I had some really thin pieces on there and some really thick pieces, so I think some of my thin pieces got a little too done for me, but I really like that seasoning, that Bricx seasoning. Has a good flavor. It's no salt, so if you're trying to stay away from salt, might be a good alternative for you. The smoker bricks, I like them. They make a lot of smoke. You can, they're still wet when you take them out. They're packaged wet, so that you can still feel that bourbon in it when you put them in. So give it a try. Next time you smoke some meat, throw some smoker bricks on there. And I recommend this Dax too. It's a good flavor. So anyway, thanks for watching Cooking in Camp. I'm glad you're here with me. I'm glad I'm back. And keep on cooking. Thanks.